Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to take a screenshot on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, the most common way to take a screenshot is by using the power button and volume down buttons. Open the screen you want to capture, then press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Hold them for about a second and your phone will take a screenshot. You will see a quick animation or hear a sound confirming that the screenshot was taken. If this doesn't work, don't worry. Some Android phones have a 3-finger swipe gesture to take a screenshot. To enable this, go to Settings, then tap Gestures or Additional Settings. Look for an option like 3-finger screenshot and turn it on. Now swipe down on the screen with 3 fingers and your phone will take a screenshot. Another option is using the Google Assistant. Simply say, "Hey Google, take a screenshot."
Got it. Taking a screenshot.
And Google Assistant will capture the screen for you. The method works hands-free, making it convenient to when you don't wanna press buttons. Once you take a screenshot, a thumbnail will appear in the corner of the screen. Tap it to edit, share, or delete the screenshot. You can also find your screenshots by opening the Gallery app or the Photos app and going to the Screenshots album. If you want to capture a scrolling screenshot which captures more than what's visible on your screen, take a screenshot as usual, then tap the Scroll Capture or Capture More button that appears. Your phone will automatically scroll and capture the rest of the page. And that's it. Now you know several methods to take screenshots on your Android phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.